Welcome back to Medical Minds, your trusted source for health and wellness insight. Do you know every medication that you ingest is processed through the kidneys? If the medications are not taken as prescribed by the doctor, can damage the kidneys. They are part of your body's unique filtering mechanism. Through urine, they eliminate waste products, poisons, and excess fluid from your blood. However, your kidneys cannot remove waste as effectively as they should if they get damaged. Certain health conditions such as diabetes and high blood pressure and several medications can cause this type of damage. Medications that are harmful to kidneys are called nephrotoxic medications. Some of these medications only slightly worsen kidney function while others could cause more serious injury. Your risk for kidney damage depends on your health condition and the medications you are taking. Let's explore some of the common drugs known to cause kidney damage and understand how they affect kidney function. First up, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs or NSAIDs such as ibuprofen and naproxen. These medications are widely used for pain relief and inflammation. However, regular or high doses can reduce blood flow to kidneys, potentially leading to acute kidney injury or chronic kidney disease. People with heart failure, liver disease, or existing kidney problems are at higher risk of experiencing new or worsening kidney problems from NSAIDs. In general, it's best to take NSAIDs sparingly at their lowest effective dose for shortest period possible. Research has shown that prolonged use of NSAIDs is associated with an increased risk of kidney damage. According to a study published in the journal named Clinical Journal of American Society of Nephrology, NSAIDs used is linked with an elevated risk of kidney progression. Next, let's talk about antibiotics. While these drugs are essential for fighting bacterial infections, some like aminoglycosides and certain cephalosporin can be nephrotoxic, meaning they can damage the kidneys. People with chronic kidney disease who are dehydrated or who have been taking these antibiotics for longer than 10 days are at higher risk of kidney injury. Studies indicate that nephrotoxicity from antibiotics is a significant concern, particularly in patients with pre-existing kidney condition. A comprehensive review in Kidney International highlights that aminoglycosides can cause acute kidney injury by damaging renal tubules. At number 3, we have proton pump inhibitor. These drugs used to treat acid reflux and stomach ulcer are also linked to kidney problems. Long-term use of proton pump inhibitor like omeprazole and esomeprazole has been associated with kidney disease. A study published in JAMA Internal Medicine found that prolonged proton pump inhibitor use was associated with an increased risk of chronic kidney disease and kidney failure. Next is contrast agent used in imaging procedures. These agents, especially iodinated contrast dyes, can cause contrast-induced nephropathy, leading to sudden decline in kidney function. Patients with pre-existing kidney issues or those who are dehydrated are at higher risk. Hence, it's crucial to inform your healthcare provider about any kidney condition before undergoing imaging tests with contrast. Research from the New England Journal of Medicine suggests that patients with pre-existing kidney conditions or diabetes are particularly at risk when exposed to these contrast agents. Another important group to be aware of is certain chemotherapy drugs. Medications like cisplatin are effective in treating cancers but can also cause significant kidney damage. This is because they can lead to the death of renal tubular cells. Oncologists usually take special precautions to minimize these effects, such as adjusting doses and ensuring adequate hydration during treatment. So what can you do to protect your kidneys if you need to take these medications? Here are some key tips. Always follow your healthcare provider's instruction. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps your kidney filter waste effectively. Regularly monitor kidney function through blood and urine tests, especially if you are on long-term medications. Inform your doctor about any pre-existing kidney conditions or other medications you are taking. Remember, while medications can have side effects, they are also life-saving. The key is to use them responsibly and under the guidance of healthcare professionals. Thank you for watching this episode of Medical Minds. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and leave a comment below with any question or topic you would like us to cover next. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful medical content. Stay healthy and take care.